Hey guys, welcome back to TechnoWaves. If your Google Meet is not working today, showing server error, loading error, or meeting not joining, so don't worry. Today Google Meet is facing a server issue globally, and I will show you what exactly is happening and what you can do right now. So if you are new here to our channel, please do subscribe to TechnoWaves for the best tech tips and unboxing and review videos. So let's get started. So as you can see here guys, on the official Google Workspace status dashboard, there is an active incident affecting Google Meet today. Here you can see it started on 26th of November 2025 at 9:33 a.m. And yes, and Google has confirmed that there is a live ongoing issue. So I will explain you what exactly is the problem. This means millions of users are unable to join meetings, loading Google Meets or start video calls. So if you are also getting errors like server error connecting, try again, or meeting not starting or meet not loading, so then the problem is not on your phone or your internet. The issue is from Google side. So you don't have to worry. So I will show you what you can do right now. So yes, it's a temporary fixes, but we can try out. First one you can do is on your PC or laptop, try incognito mode. Yes, press Ctrl Shift and plus N. Here you can see. Now open meet.google.com. So guys, you can try on incognito mode. So yes, now you will search meet.google.com, and if it is unable to use, if you are in your PC or laptop, is it allowing you, so you can search and you can use it. Try on mobile app. First go on Play Store and search Google Meet. Here you will see my Google Meet has to update. Tap on update. So guys, after update it may be work. Now let's try it. Open it. Now you can try by using your phone. Just open Google Meet on your phone, and sometimes mobile works when desktop doesn't. So you can just so you can so now you can check it out, is it working with your mobile or not. Thirdly, switch network. Try mobile's hotspot like Wi-Fi and mobile data. And fourthly, try another browser. So sometimes Chromes are not working. So you can try on Microsoft Edge. Now check it out, it's really working or not. If it is working, then it's best. And sometime, and you can also join with, and one thing, you can also join with meeting code only. If link doesn't work, try entering the code manually. So guys, what you cannot fix today is because this is an official Google server outage. You cannot fix the core problem, but Google is already working on it, and they will restore Google Meet soon. So until, if you urgently need to join a class or office meeting or online video calls, use these alternatives. So I have shown many. You can use Zoom, Microsoft Teams, GeoMeet, WhatsApp video call, Telegram video chat, Google Chat voice video. Sometimes works when Meet is down. Okay, so you can try out this one. So one of the alternative will be definitely work it. So keep checking the status page. So guys, keep refreshing the Google Workspace status dashboard. When the icon turns green, this one turns green, then the Google Meet will start working normally. So yes, Google Meet is down today globally, and that's why it is not working for anyone. So don't worry, Google will fix it soon. If this video helped you guys, make sure to like, share and subscribe to TechnoWaves for simple tech fixes and unboxing and reviews. Thanks for watching.